Hi friends, thank you for joining me today. My name is Andrea and this is the 6th episode of my Itaki Pro series. So far in this series I've showed you how to make beef pho, fried chicken rice, soy sauce chicken, Penang curry, and black bean and garlic spare rib in the Itaki Pro. Today I'll be showing you how to make a simple yet satisfying Japanese curry. So let's get started. As usual, meals in the Itaki Pro are all about prep work. I usually prep everything the night before, so when it's time to cook, it's as close as possible to one push of the button at the office or wherever else you're cooking. For this Japanese curry, I'll be using 2 squares of curry mix and half a tablespoon of butter. The butter helps to create a richer flavor. Here I have 1 chicken breast cut into bite-sized pieces. Careful not to cut the chicken into pieces that are too large or they're not going to cook all the way through. But don't cut them too small either or they'll be overdone. About 1/2-inch cubes should be perfect. These are 1 carrot and half a potato, both roughly chopped. I also have here 1/4 of an onion diced and 2 cloves of garlic minced. For easier cleanup, you could use 2 teaspoons of garlic powder and 2 teaspoons of onion powder in place of the garlic and onion. And here I have a single portion of rice for us, which is 80 milliliters of uncooked rice. Start by pouring your single portion of rice into the small metal bowl of the Itaki Pro and wash your rice 3 times. You'll do this by adding a good amount of water, agitating the rice with your fingers, pouring out the water and repeating the process another 2 times. Add an equal amount of water as your rice to your rice. So for our 80 milliliters of rice, we'll add 80 milliliters of water. In the large metal bowl, add the garlic, onion, carrots, and potato. Then we'll add our chicken, the Japanese curry mix, our butter, and our stock or water. I always have frozen stock in my freezer, so today I'll be using my homemade turkey stock. Using stock adds just a touch more flavor. Now place these into the Itaki Pro and into the fridge for later. So, about 45 minutes before lunch, it's time to cook. Take the metal bowls out of the Itaki Pro, add 3 cups of the little cup that comes with the Itaki Pro, which is about half a cup of water, to the heating plate. Take the container lid off the metal bowls and place them back onto the heating plate. Close the lid of the Itaki Pro and push the button. "45 minutes later, come back, stir, and enjoy. And here it is, friends. The veggies and the chicken are cooked to perfection. The curry sauce is creamy and flavorful. This is the perfect little comfort meal for when the weather is not so nice outside. As usual, I've got affiliate links in the description below if you want to see what ingredients or prep containers I'm using. If you're thinking about buying an Itaki for yourself, consider using my link below to save 2.5% on your purchase. Buying through those links helps support me with a small commission while thinking of new ideas for you. Thank you again for joining me today. If you liked my video, please click the like button. And if you tried my recipe, leave a comment below on how it turned out. I'd love to know. And don't forget to subscribe for more food ideas to make in the Itaki Pro. Until next time, friends. Mwah!